it back into the range, right? Sort of like an external to internal move. But I am targeting liquidity objectives on the 1 hour. So that's kind of like the thesis for today. It's really not that hard. And then depending on how we get today's close, and let's say you don't catch anything today, it's completely fine because again, following the weekly profile, if Wednesday reverses, Thursday and Friday will expand, and then this could kind of be your trade tomorrow. Something lower in the range, kind of the second stage delivery back out to the weekly low. So just don't get super greedy today. Don't get super like emotional to get into a trade. Most of it has already expanded without you. It is what it is. It's one of those days. It's an Asia reversal. Can you play this lower? Yes, because today again, if this is the goal, then we can easily hit this Tuesday swing low today. Easy, like not even a question. It's how it's gonna create it, and then where. It's a lot more timing. It's a lot more focus, because then you don't know if it's gonna reverse here and go lower. You don't know if it's just gonna completely bleed through here. You don't know if while it's making the entry at this low, it gives you a sell, but it can easily reverse into the range, and you just have to trust that sell to play it lower. It becomes a lot more variables into that trade. So that's why that trade's a little harder. And again, we spoke about all of this yesterday. So you do have a little bit of an edge if you pulled up to yesterday's class. But that's kind of what we're looking at. Announcements. Josh, okay. What did you do, Josh? What's good?
What a do?
What's up, brother? Yeah. I have this trailing on my phone and
Fire.
I'll
I
show
was
you.
fixing my trade sync. I heard you guys talking about it. Did like an update.
Josh, I was about to get cooked this session.
Oh, when I was fixing it, I was like, I hope Zoe is realizing this. I'm not even joking.
Like even my Tradeovate, like it's not even like my props are letting me sign in here. Like I have to do it off of Tradeovate, like on my phone. Like I don't
Yeah,
even have the chart pulled up. It's
I
just
had
the
to
Tradeovate app.
I had to disconnect everything and then reconnect it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
yeah. That's
He
crazy.
did this. Yeah, he did like a software update for sure.
But to piggyback off what you were saying, Franny, for those of you in here, don't be so eager to enter a trade. I know today looks like a very clean sell day, and Franny has like an objective that he's trying to hit. But don't just enter because the candlesticks are going down. You're only gonna do yourself harm long term. Try to find an actual entry to take a sell.
Try to get a low retracement. Look at the open.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, everybody's waiting to open regardless. Just look at the open. The open provides fire. If it doesn't, fire. What you really want to see is open hold this. So any retracements into here, this order block, while continuing to hold, it's a little again, it's a little bit risky of a trade because you come up here, right? How weak is this actual move? But you can easily reject off this and come lower, right? And you'll get a premium entry, a sniper fill, basically. So I would really want that not to happen, obviously, because I'm in a trade. But if you're not in a trade, that is what you want. You want to retest. But the best kind of trade out of this, especially on a higher time frame chart, would be just seeing the structure on the 15. There is a lot of highs here, and that's why like we can easily come back up to sweep this. I
Yeah,
just don't know if we do it before taking that. But you just really want to see an order block continuation play. So like look for the 15 and see if you can get a move
Good morning, my YouTube
and then you
people.
come into this order block and you see a
Very
weak
simple day.
order block back
It's that
out.
type of day.
That would be
If
these levels that
you were in the
we just
Discord,
saw here.
you would have heard
Take a lot
heard
of
Franny and I already explain what the day
profit on
entails.
these right
Majority of
here.
the move already happened, so I'm not gonna be so eager to enter a trade.
the
Just watch
best
the
case
open.
Maybe 9:30 retraces higher,
scenario,
so then we can
you get
get
into
an
the
entry lower.
range much
Right,
much
looking
sooner.
like a nice Wednesday reversal. So Thursday and Friday should continue lower to this original objective we have here.
Maybe at open we go up and take the highs because the
So
SMT was
let's
hitting
not think about it too
hitting
much.
those
Let's
highs
keep
for a
it
while,
a sell day.
have a big ass gap, and then we sell off.
Yeah, yeah, we could get a like exactly. If we get like a let's say here at this 30 minute, and you get an SMT up there, but you hold as long as you hold this Asia high, that's really what you want to see hold. You don't want to see SMT above that. If you can like SMT somewhere here, right, like right there exactly, and then ES sweeps above all these highs, and but NQ keeps this as long as it keeps that level, I feel like that yeah that could really be the tipping point, and you can get the timing really right there after that SMT. I would say yeah that would be a really good uh, positional entry if the market does provide for sure. Damn, where's Zora, bro? Tell this nigga to wake up.
Huh.
I know he's printing off this shit. Wake up, fuck nigga.
Bro probably cooked already.
Nah, he has the same TP. He has the same TP.
Mm.
Took
But
this
maybe it
shit.
was the. I know he's on Apex, so maybe the consistency.
I'm gonna say consistency. He gotta close it.
So maybe he closed already and just he's done for the day.
Maybe, depending on his fill too, cause yeah, his fills like here
I was peeping it. He's already.
points. Yeah, he would be up like $400 by now. Yeah, probably. It's funny, bro. I was in the class yesterday. Classic Zora, bro. I'm doing the breakdown. I'm doing the shit. I'm like, yo, after this class, I'll probably enter this trade, but I don't know. And then Zora unmutes and goes, yeah, I'm in it. Like, yeah, I'm in it, bro. But I don't know if he took it on the if he I don't know if he took it on the funded. He might still be holding because maybe he took it on the on a eval. Maybe he's going for like a pass on eval. Hold up, the bathroom real quick.
Bro, I was going over yesterday's price action yesterday, and on the 1 minute Friday there was I think a unicorn.
He said he going to the bathroom.
Oh, this guy. I didn't hear that. Yo, good morning, JP.
All right, we back. Nah, that man Zora probably printed and took the day off. Respectable. Respectable.
Bro, I was peeping yesterday's price action after hours, and And I think NQ had a nice little 1 minute uni.
Put the fries in the bag, brother.
Say it again. I couldn't hear you. Yo, Ratman.
Yo, what's up?
What'd you say?
I said put the fries in the bag.
Hi, bro.
Fucking uni, nigga.
Do you remember those days?
Yeah. Useless. Just use the order block. There's always an order block at a unicorn.
Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly what it was too.
Yeah, you feel me? Use the fucking order block, man.
It's cool to know, like, when you first hear about it, you're like, whoa.
Yeah, yeah. It really lets you like train your eyes to see it, and then when you start learning more, you just realize it's an order block.
Yeah.
That's why I haven't. Bro, sheesh, I can't believe the last. I don't remember the last time I got into a breaker. I used to love breakers too, but there's literally always an order block there. All right, let's see if this open. I think the news already came out. We don't have anything else for today, right? News wise,
Nah, it was just 8:30.
we had that 8:30. I mean, yeah, everything's set in stone, bro. This is just free, just waiting for this to play out. I'll try to see. I'll like as it continues lower, I'll see what it can use as protection and what's gonna be my protection for the trade I'm already in from Asia can be your entry as a follow through. Just again, you really want to see retracements into the range and kind of what Zoe said also. If you can pinpoint an SMT at open on a retracement up, you might be able to get something. My stop on this trade, honestly, I'm in at a good price. It's gonna be the stop of this order block. I have a really good entry, so yeah, I could even potentially trim here pre-open, but that's kind of gay. I'm up pretty nice on this. I'll wait. I'll wait a little bit. I feel like we could really take this down
Walk it down.
for real. And then my confidence here is just again, if this swing low is gonna be the weekly objective, we got room, baby. We got room to cover, and we gotta cover it fast. All right, open in 3 minutes. Let's see, boys. And then again, if this could be a really good follow through below this low. This area here, the reason why it's so important to me is just because it's equilibrium. Like this isn't really a high or a very high relevant area of liquidity like it's yesterday's open, yeah, but obviously this swing low is a lot more relevant. This swing lows are a lot more relevant, but this low here after the big move of expansion is exactly equilibrium of the current range. And like you guys know, I always love taking something off at equilibrium because you can have a reaction there. Doesn't mean you have a reversal, but you can have a reaction there. So just following the plan, following the profile, following the daily profile, weekly profile, and the order flow. The 1 hour is telling everything. So we'll see if we can get this little expansion into the open. That'll be so nice. 30-minute looks clean. Again, just everything looks nice. On NQ, ES and YM, I really wouldn't want to be in a sell right now. They're just showing relative strength. You're inside accumulation for a lot of these areas. Yes, you still have the reversal structure at the highs, but you obviously want to be selling relative weakness when you're trying to catch a sell. And then just obviously at first glance you see NQ, it's the weakest of them all. I would love to see if we do play out towards this low. I'm telling you, today and tomorrow are gonna be fucking printers. And we haven't had a Wednesday midweek reversal in a while. These don't come often. These don't come often. That's why I'm happy applying what I had to apply today because you don't get these a lot. And when they do happen, same thing as how I've been saying with the daily profiles. When you see it, act on it, bro. Like don't be pussy. Worst that can happen is fucking it doesn't work out, and you just analyze and see why it didn't. And the next time comes around and you take it again.
minutes.
Open. No, it's funny. Zora actually didn't wake up.
Bet you he woke up. I bet you he woke up though like a few times at night to check the trade.
I told him, I was like, yo, don't lose sleep over this. Let it. No, 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 I won't. Like, all right, bro. It's like the first time I don't see him in the live trading. I think it's either already printed or still waiting on him.
That's the reason why I don't hold overnight, bro. Fuck that.
Because you can't.
I
Fuck that, bro.
remember those days.
Yeah.
And like, I'll torture myself because I won't pull myself out the trade. I'm just looking at
Yeah.
this shit, smash my fucking TP or smash my stop loss. Fucking 4 a.m. fucking wired
Facts. No, and
because
then
I'm
you just,
losing.
I'm gonna go to
Fuck
sleep.
that.
I'm gonna go to sleep. 15 minutes
Yeah, I
later.
need to
Let me
sleep.
check
Fuck
the chart.
that.
Yeah.
And it feels like it's been like 2 hours, but it's.
Lock it in. Lock it in.
Let's see.
I considered Asia, but I was like, let's be disciplined.
No, good, good, good. If you're not, again, if that's what I was telling Zora. Like, if that's not your niche, bro, kind of like let it go. He's just a fiend. All right. So again, I'm gonna draw my stop, which is gonna be up here. I have a lot of protection, but again, nothing is set in stone. Let's see if we get those SMT areas. Let's see how weak is this gonna be. Maybe it holds this order block here. Continuation through really big wick. Wait, wait, wait. Did you get this SMT here? 922 high. Wait, it's not 5 minutes. 1 minute. Now we sweep them on both. No SMT yet. We have SMT at lows a little bit here, but again, kind of just ignoring every buy signal because obviously short. Holding order block here on NQ.
It's a nice 1 minute creation too on NQ.
After sweeping an intermediate term high. So if this wants to start it here, not bad. This is kind of giving you context though. So again, as it gives you more context, just pullbacks. Really, you want to get into order block creation like this. This is open, so I really wouldn't want to take this trade. If you're still looking for one, there you go. What's up, Zora? You ready to print on this shit, little Nick? But yeah, just
You're
order.
yeah, I already smacked on that bitch.
Consistency, or it was because consistency.
Yeah, yeah,
Word. So you
smacked.
took it on the funded?
Yeah, on both of them.
Oh, there we go.
200 on one and 350 on another one.
I'm holding. I got on the retest. Remember, I wasn't able to catch it like when you caught it, and then I caught it here, and I've been
Yeah,
holding since.
I caught it. I caught it on the retest of the FVG 1 hour
Nice.
on my second funding.
Let's go, my nigga.
How many times do you wake up at night to see the trade?
That's why I slept in a little bit too. You feel me?
We were talking about it. We're like, yo, Zora ain't pulling up, fam. Zora ain't pulling up. All right. Obviously, you have the context is there. I mean, this is exactly how I was expecting the day play out. And then we tapped into this internal, kind of like what I was saying. You want to hold these levels. Everything's there. If market is nice enough to now give you an order block entry somewhere here before we take out these lows, you have an entry. And then again, this is just me because it's equilibrium, right? If we come lower, you will have a trade. But honestly, pretty clean structure from what I'm seeing. Uh,
I just got in on that 1 minute, Obia.
it's not a bad trade. It's risky. It's high risk. You just gotta
I know.
you gotta be happy with it. No, no, no. But it's not. I mean, again, it's the framework's there. You press that button. You face the repercussions of a loss or an absolute
Or
win.
not, yeah.
So at that point, it's not that it's a bad trade. It's just a risky trade.
It's not the best position you want to be in for sure. Just
Yeah.
because on the 5 minute we don't get anything. Only on the 1 minute I don't really like that,
It's
but
just on the 1 minute so far, and yeah.
yeah.
But what I do like is you're playing a 15-minute internal to external. So you have higher narrative structure in the form of the 15-minute, and then obviously the daily profile and everything else. but it can easily rip higher. It's right at open. It's like if this
Yeah.
happens here, I like it more because yeah, price has settled a little bit more. You have a little bit more information, but the context is there. So now you really want to see this hold, any of this new liquidity hold. Obviously, this order block hold or this fair value gap, and then this create a new order block. That's like textbook continuation. And if it does close back below this after holding this fair value gap, I would. That's like somewhere you can maybe enter, but just again, you're playing it close. It's not a bad entry, and it's close to the liquidity I have. Again, we could easily go lower. I just don't know yet. So
Right. Right.
good context so far. ES has it swept anything major beside its own lows? Not really. Accumulation lows here too, so we can have that retest up on ES. Then maybe create that SMT. Like there's
I am lower.
YM lower, NQ higher. So now we have a clear disconnect. Right back to this 1 minute. Right. So looking at a break even here, if you did catch that entry, now we're CSDing above. It's not what you want to be in. And again, reason why that type of entry, you just gotta wait. Open does a lot of moves. So that's not what we want. Obviously, I have the luxury of being in this higher, but we have CSDs higher now here potentially.
I believe you get SMT with ES on the 1 minute.
Let's see, let's see. Yeah, because of the and yeah, you do. And now maybe we get a strange switch, meaning we get relative weakness NQ or six sister relative weakness on NQ turning bullish now, and then the pairs that were relatively stronger now convert into the bearish pairs. That's what they call six sister. Oh my God, YM, yeah. What a sell.
Hmm.
YM is presenting a nice sell, but again, I just the structure off of it. I don't like as much 4 hour. Do we finally get this 4 hour CSD? Nice, nice, massive, massive here for YM. It would be interesting to see once we took in this swing low right now. Since they're completely inversed, NQ up, YM down. ES is gonna probably stay in the middle to see if they end up connecting. Meaning that are we gonna come higher now? Like YM took that low, we sweep higher, and then we actually go higher. All markets uh, align to go higher, or is this just that retest back up? There's a lot of areas here still. A lot of trendline liquidity above, as we were talking about as well. And then once you get across above this, it's gonna be really hard to sell it. If you cross above here now, a lot of trendline liquidity above, right? Again, I just wouldn't really long a day like today, but a lot of trendline liquidity above. Now you have CSD and a potential move back out to this range right here. Let's just keep watching. I'm gonna get off YM for a second. I know it's disconnected.
I'll be peeping it anyways.
Yeah. Let me know if you see anything interesting. ES obviously sweep of the low. That's why we're getting this reaction right now. NQ really switched up though. It's actually crazy. Definitely six sister. NQ went from the weakest pair in relative strength to the strongest really fast. And ES is in the middle because YM is inversing NQ right now. Big disconnect, big manipulation. You want to see things align right now. These are red flags. Big red flags before entering a trade. So if you're still looking for an entry today, and maybe you want to long this, I would wait. Or maybe you still want to sell this, I would wait. Look at the close of the 15. Strong close here.
Damn, dog.
Strong close. Let's see if we get an actual close above that. And then again, I really want to see that ESYM. Are they pump faking? Is this a retracement? ES hasn't really CSD'd anywhere yet. ES is still inside of that accumulation after sweeping. Was that manipulation? And are we going to come back up to test some of these areas and then come lower throughout the day and then ERL it again? Right? Is YM actually going to show that we're going lower and then ES ends up aligning with it? Right? But a lot of bullish structure right now, to be honest. From the 3, from the 5, from the 15, all the way down, you get bullish structure. Nothing yet on the bigger time frame until you really close above this, of all this stuff. But we'll see what the fuck happens.
Bro, that thing just went from pure green to pure red, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Massive, massive.
That opening gap, man. I
Yeah,
don't.
yeah.
like taking those order blocks at open. It's a little bit interesting. So here again, let's see. This would be interesting because if we get what we call the failure CSD, so that line I have, that's the 15-minute chart, right? So that's trying to change the state of delivery above. But if we fail to do that, this could start creating entries here. Inversion, right? This is those, remember how I always speak about those make or break points in a trade? We're looking at it. This is going to determine structure. We either hold fair value, CSD above, or inverse it, come back below this, and then maybe just create a very big time frame order block here, like on the 3 minute, just a big expansion. But this is that make or break point. We hold this, market's telling me that we're holding bullish structure, we're holding bullish PDAs after a change in state of delivery. Maybe market wants to go higher, and then obviously if we create these down closes and close higher, then you get an order block here, right? Where would it trade into? Probably Asia highs ish, but this is the make or break point. Hold fair value, market has told you the switch is there. Fail to CSD and hold fair value. This is going to be used as a retest to, like Zoe said earlier, entice buyers. This could just be enticing buyers. Look at the move on YM, just lower, lower, lower. ES is just in the range still. It's stuck. It's stuck until further notice. Look at this hold of the fair value gap. Let's see if it CSDs. If it CSDs above here, we'll probably CSD on 15. Nothing on the 5. We'll have a clean 3 minute structure, and it might play it higher. I'm not gonna play it higher, but I'm saying like the chart will play it higher. So yeah, look at the hold. Unable to inverse. And then let me check my position real quick because I should be getting close to break even here now. Yeah, I'm like $200 in profit. So
Alright, guys, we're just wait. Yo, Josh, if you can tell Franny to look at his message, just go from it after the session. Get back to me. I'd appreciate it a bunch. I got you, Brody. Right now we're just waiting to take this trade, guys. Would like some sells, as we explained earlier in the morning in the Discord. If you guys were tuned in. So now we just sit in our hand. There's no need to force anything or even flip sides. I think playing one side is always better than trying to play both. It just puts longevity in your game.
1350.
Yo, Franny.
Yo.
JP said when you're done to check your messages.
Yeah,
no,
it's...
He
texted it, yeah. That's all right, JP. Just told it we're locked in.
He's on the YouTube.
Clean structure. Clean structure. ES in the middle hasn't really shown shit. YM, or again, NQ from weakest to strongest. YM anything? Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Kind of had that move
No.
over and then just stayed in the range. Let's see if I get break even out of here. I'll honestly be surprised if I don't get break even after seeing all this structure. This clean structure up. Doesn't look like this is enticing buyers. This looks more like reversal structure. Enticing buyers is usually a quick in and out right here. Here you really wanted to see this come lower below this. That would have really kept me in line like fuck.
He is still parked too.
Yeah, ES is in the middle because of YM being a troll. So here again, kind of same scenario. It's obviously not as best because we held this, but if we come below that order block on 1 minute, I mean, we're still looking good. But I'm not confident that this is gonna hold through my break even. And if it takes me break even and higher, like I don't know how I would position myself to sell.
Probably wait till 10 at that point.
Little devil's mark right here on the 1 minute, but it's actually like busting.
No, usually NQ and ES aren't inverted. They go the same way. They move in the same direction.
aligned now? Are they finally moving in tandem? Nah. Look at this, more order block continuation. So again, still no sign of bearishness.
Midas,
Yo,
would you be mad if I told you I was in the long?
nah, I wouldn't.
Look,
Mhm.
I'm gonna send my execution.
I wouldn't.
Usually I would take it way lower, but I was like waiting for confirmation, and that secondary order block, I took it.
It looks good. It looks good.
Look, I'm sharing now.
It looks good, especially if you're looking to scalp. I wouldn't hold this pure range, but it does look good. Even if
I'm
you get
only
this
in one
15
micro,
minute,
a lower risk.
I would say a good TP on that would maybe be these equal highs. You have two sets of equal highs on NQ, any of these. If you wanna, you can honestly trail through it to see if you could get Asia, because it is a possibility. But you have two sets of equal highs, so any of those is gonna be a good spot. Let me see what you took.
Get chat right quick.
Live trading chat or
Yeah,
Free trading.
got you. Nice, higher into the range. Cool. Where's that sell limit at? Is that Asia or where's that? Where's that?
Uh,
Guys?
that's like one of the equal highs, I think. I
Good.
believe. I'm gonna tell you what level.
Alright, guys. Most likely gonna wait till 10.
19.
We'll see. Obviously, price looks like it wants to go higher in the moment, so there's no need for us to try to force anything.
Oh,
So, oh, like one of these. Yeah, this one right
All right, waiting to see how price reacts off of the top of this 30-minute that we're about to get into.
Follow through.
yeah, I'm gonna just trail
Sitting
you.
here kind of with this 1 hour, even though we already have a tab on it.
Yeah, I'm gonna break even about now and then just let it run.
Nah, nah. I mean, if you're in this order block, your stop should be down here. I feel like that's a good stop. You're not risking a lot too. Like what? 30 points, 40 points?
Oh, at this like the second order block we made, I just trailed it under.
Uh.
I'm risking what, 14 points,
Yeah, I would say
$30.
that's good. Yeah, I would say that's not bad.
That 619 was my entry for sales.
619 was your literally. I'm about to get break even. It almost filled me here. I got it lower here, so I'll be again completely shocked if I don't get break even. But at this line, once I hit that line, it's break even, and then again positioning back into a sell here is gonna be damn near impossible. And then I can't long today just off my own analysis, but we'll see. Let's see ES. Kind of doing that grind up also. Did YM finally reverse? YM holding levels. Interesting. YM gives you inversion as well.
Would today be considered a New York reversal?
I was looking at it as Asia, but if it ends up actually reversing to the highs, yeah, it would end up being a New York reversal. So okay, wait, hold up, I just got another. Broke even through the range right there. Oh my god, that one sucks. I got round trip fucking literally 1300. It is what it
This
is.
be dripping on my mama.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So good order block there.
If we fuck, hold on, but it's fire alarm drill.
That's what was going on.
Yeah,
I heard it for a quick second.
get TP, I get a payout.
Hey,
Hell yeah.
take it, Zoe, take it. Get him there.
Take that shit to the bank, baby.
Take that shit to the bank, baby. And that's what I meant, what I was saying earlier, bro. Like I have my own shit, but y'all see something else, bro. And it has proper framework. Get into it, bro. Don't let me stop you. YM, ES going. ES giving that momentum. Nice little sweep below that lows. Those little accumulation lows. We come back up. We see SD.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna break even at this point, like not in profit, but
I
just
think it's
break
not bad. I think it's not bad. Where's your break even? 448, 450?
444.
That's good.
Well,
Honestly,
that's not
that's
even break
solid.
even. That's profit.
That's like slight prof, yeah.
But
Honestly,
On
that's not bad.
I'm gonna send you
In
like
those longs too, you get you're coming up on the flip of the 4-hour field there.
Oh, very nice, yeah. Sheesh. What a reaction. What a reaction. All of these relative highs are probably gonna get cooked. Good trade,
oh
so.
my gosh, dog.
And now you have dealing range here on ES. Dealing range low, dealing range high, potential New York reversal, sweep of liquidity here. Target back up to the dealing range high. I can see that. I can see that. 1 hour PO3. Yep. I can see that. I can see that. Looks like we're coming up on a major level
Artist,
here.
look at the chat so you can see where I put my stop loss at.
Clean. That's like MT of the order block. That's clean. It really shouldn't come back there.
Yeah,
I
and
think
like,
I think you got clear skies, bro. Honestly, like the first maybe real major like issue is gonna be when ES takes dealing range high.
yeah, I have
Um,
an alert. I'm gonna just trail aggressive.
yeah, but I think you got good protection. To be honest, good structure off of the low too.
Oh
Every
yeah, I
single
ain't gonna lie, man.
held,
That
held,
gap.
held.
Oh my god.
God, yo.
That gap really made me want to go long. Like it just, I don't know. When I going into market, I really thought New York reversal because of that
Nah, nah,
gap.
it's good. No, it's a good thought process. It's a double-sided profile today. You have Asia from the open, where you could position yourself for a sell, but then once New York happens and we get this deep move, anything can happen. You can switch it, right? You can switch the PO3. I'm playing the expansion side of the PO3. Unfortunately, wasn't able to get my TP, and then we flip it to have a New York reversal, right? New York reversal, you'll only know if it's a New York reversal once New York opens. So we don't know until it happens, but you followed your plan, bro. You thought New York reversal, you found your levels, gives you the CSD, holds, holds, holds. That's what you're looking for. I mean, press the button and you see what happens. I don't think I'll be able to position myself again for a sell here though. Just gonna watch this. Maybe if ES gives me something, I'll try to see if I can target the dealing range high just for a scalp. But again, I'm conflicted on trading this lower, or trading this higher, just with the potential weekly profile. I want to look at the 4 hour. The fact that we didn't actually CSD this 4 hour is crazy. Like Josh was saying, the 4 hour flip, we hold the daily imbalance, like Zoe was saying. Let's grab 50% of that imbalance, holding 50% CE of that fair value gap, right to the tick too. Sheesh. That's CE of the daily fair value gap.
And why am lower? Lower prices on the YM ski.
Like Asia needs to stay intact if I want to keep selling this. But again, now look at where you're selling. Look at where you're selling against. 15-minute CSD, hold daily imbalance, relative highs, equal highs, high above, dealing range high above here. YM maybe can provide something for me to continue lower prices. I mean, we have 1 hour CSD here. Can YM take me home today? Let's see. Tuesday low there. Relative lows here. Can YM take me home today? What would this look like? I think I might try a short on YM. 2.7. Yeah, I'm gonna try this. Alright, I'm taking a YM, 5M YMs. I'm gonna try to sell on YM. Chasing relative weakness now off of the flip. Let's get into this position here. And Trader 8's not letting me fill. Come on, Trader 8. Alright, they just filled me now. I'll try this. Small break even on the day. About $100 in profit. I'll try this. YM sell lower. Again, this has nothing to do with your guys' longs or whatever's going on. YM's like kind of in its own world, but I think continuation throughout here might be what we want. So we'll try this. I'd say a good area here and here would be to kind of evaluate. Cross below. Here is a 1-3R, so I just want to evaluate there. Really looking for this. quick. NQ, doing NQ things. ES equal highs, quad equal highs above. That's not good.
Mm.
Crossover there on YM. Again, four equal highs or like six equal highs on ES is crazy. To leave those up there is that doesn't make sense. We probably come back up for that. I'm not convinced on this sell at all. YM is different because YM is if you're looking to sell ES or NQ, this not convincing. Look at all the equal highs on fucking ES. Look at this shit. 1, 2, 3, 4.
The only thing is NQ sweeps them, but ES doesn't. From the 15 minute.
Yeah, it's just fake. It's fake.
Yeah.
YM in its own world, so reason why I picked YM just again showing I want to short, and NQ was showing relative weakness. Now it's not. Now YM showing relative weakness, so I'm just swapping the pair so I can catch the short if it is provided. Once this breaks below this, I'll maybe move a little bit closer to MT of this order block, like kind of the midway point, like right here. There goes NQ higher. I would love for it to sweep these equal highs on ES, and then that's kind of where everything falls aligned. I think that's going to be the main level too. Once we sweep these highs, that's when market's actually going to decide if we're going lower or not. Excuse me. But why I'm showing something different, which is interesting.
I don't like the consolidation at that 2 minute gap.
You're in long. Honestly, bro, I think everything is fine for you until those equal highs on ES are taken out. It seems too.
What
It
the fuck
seems.
is that?
My bad. It's the fucking this group chat
Oh,
that I need to pay attention to those messages, so I put the ugliest fucking ringtone so that when they go off, I can answer. But bro, until we take those equal highs, I think we're safe. If we don't take those equal highs, bro, find the nearest bridge and jump, my boy.
Yo.
Bro, fuck nah. It was deserved, bro. You know how many times I fucking uh Zoe's stop loss was my TP? Today, Zoe's TP was my stop loss. Fuck, he got me. He fucking got me. Anything? Let's see. Why I'm chilling. Not as much displacement as I want though. NQ just there. Again, I think we might just be enticing sellers here for NQ and ES because again, these equal highs for them to leave that there's is astronomically abnormal. There's just too many highs up there to not be targeted. Let's see if we finally take them now. Now, once those highs are taken, let's see if we can get in line. It'll be good for me because at that point, if we continue expansion above, I'll obviously get stopped out at this high. If not, though, and we do a sweep above that and come lower, then I'll get a good move back down. Damn, bro, that NQ trade fucked. In hindsight, maybe I should have took fucking partials at CE. I didn't have this level right here. I didn't have that CE level. It would have let me fucking understand it better. That's on me. I was chasing it for that equilibrium. It was close too, about like 50, 60 points away.
What's CE?
CE is the midway point of a fair value gap, the halfway. So equilibrium of a fair value gap is CE, and
Okay.
equilibrium of a order block is MT, mean threshold. So if you ever hear me say MT, I'm talking about the halfway point of an order block. If you ever hear me say CE, I'm talking about the halfway point of a fair value gap. What you say, Zo?
We make a little SMT on the 1 minute with ES and NQ.
ES and Q. I see, I see, I see. Nah, there's no way. ES has to take these highs. There's no fucking way we don't. That'd be insane.
Another sweep on NQ.
What happened with NQ?
We got another sweep at the highs here.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yep. Yep.
Starting to catch my attention.
My stop
I
is right
can't.
below
Yeah.
that little accumulation on the 1 minute. So if we sweep that, I don't give a
It's
fuck.
tight. It's tight. It's a tight one. Honestly, bro, you just keep it break even, dog. Keep it break even. You're not losing a lot. Like, how much profit are you making if you get the trail on here? Like 80 bucks?
900 and like
Nah.
10.
Just break even, bro. Don't trail it that
Alright.
aggressive. Break even.
Hmm.
I feel like it's again, it's what I was saying the other day too. What's the ROI of you getting stopped here and break even? $100 bet, but the ROI of you hitting TP is a payout. I think that's enough. I think that's enough to hold it through, in my opinion. If you really want to take it off at that low, go ahead. But honestly, you don't lose on break even. You lose profits, but you don't lose. You don't lose. I can't sell NQ even if we CSD here. I cannot sell NQ. What would fucking suck and honestly would be super high cortisol would be if NQ does reverse, we come back towards the low, and then YM, since they're inversed, YM starts to move higher. That would fucking suck, but it is what it is. All right, order block tap. This is make or break here for YM. ES needs to take these highs ASAP. YM sweep, YM tap. Let's see.
Yeah, the 5 minute on ES is just like watching paint dry.
Yeah, it's nasty. Yes, it's nasty.
Paint dry.
Yes, it's a nasty gal. Come on, I really want I hope by the time ES takes these highs, I'm not out of my position because I do think that's like the last key. I think that's what the whole market is kind of waiting for.
Midas, I was kind of leaning more towards how you said yesterday, that manipulation up once we found that TP, literally wicked that TP
Mhm.
on opening,
Mhm.
on NQ, and now how we kind of manipulated up. I'm looking for another reversal here to go down, get into some more shorts. That's what I'm
It would
thinking.
be nice. It would be
That's
nice.
what I'm thinking.
I would love it. It's hard for me to trade against just the strength of NQ. That's why I'm in YM, but it's definitely plausible, right? And then again, just following that weekly profile, today should have been a bearish day. This could just be enticing buyers. It's just the reversal structure is strong. So you are playing against relative strength, but it could. It most definitely could. You're in line with the weekly candle. It's just the way it's delivering now is it's smart, right? If I was a market maker, this is and I wanted to take it lower, this is a very smart leg of price because a lot of buyers are enticed to come into this. So it's smart. It's smart. If I was a market maker, it's a smart thing to do on the delivery today. And then people are all right. It was just a retest. We're going higher, all time highs again. That euphoria kicks in again, and it's like nah, we're going lower. So I can see it. If I was a market maker, that's a perfect play.
Yeah, part of my strategy, I like to go with trying to, you said, the weak inline,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
higher
We can
time frame
structure
inline.
the
I'm
week.
not gonna go into the overall trend. Not really a
Facts,
scalper.
facts, facts, facts.
Potential 3-minute on NQ.
That Diddy candle from ES.
Hmm.
What's up? What's up? Anything? Come on, bro.
Waiting for
Gotta get out of here.
ES, bruh.
I ain't trying to be here all day, bro. Let's get to it. Either stop me or run it up, bruh. Let's go. I don't got
ES
no
needs to make up its mind.
order block
Yeah,
creation.
honestly, going to 1 minute. This motherfucker doing the same bullshit.
What? What's it doing? What do you mean?
Yeah, just forming new order blocks.
Yeah, it's just kind of there. Yeah, the 1 minute if that bullish order block comes in, that 10:03, it's gone. Zoe's about to hit TP. If we come above that, Zoe's going to TP. Or at least again,
Yeah,
these equal highs. These equal highs need to be swept. It's just the area I think we're still holding at. I don't care, bro. Just take me out or let me go. Like I'm already made up my mind. If I lose this trade, I think it's a $160 loss. I'm up 100. I'll be down 60, basically a break even day. I was up 1300 on that sell, but it is what it is. It is
We're gonna
what it
see
is.
if this 3-minute forms on NQ.
It's just
It's just nasty. I just if ES gave me more information, it'd be better.
it's just hard to sell in Q. It's like I could see that reversal. It's just look at what you're selling against.
No.
All right. And then fire. I hope I did the smart thing. It was a risk, but I hope I did the smart thing getting into YM off of the inversion of both pairs, understanding NQ probably wants higher, but trading relative strength. And as NQ goes higher, YM comes lower. That's like the thesis behind this reason why I swapped to YM. And it's kind of playing out how I want it to, but
Ooh.
don't know until we sweep these equal highs. We're about to come towards these equal highs. Zoe, I hope you're still in that position. You didn't even take that 1 minute down, so you should
Yeah,
still
yeah,
be in that
yeah.
position.
I'm in it.
Cool, cool, cool. As we come higher, though, at this point now, stop below that 1 minute makes sense. You see
Yeah.
that order block
Mm-hmm.
now? Now it makes sense. Now it's one where I'll be like, yeah, move it there. Like you're good, and then you can secure that 100 you had.
Yeah, I put right. You see how we just made those four candles and spin it up
Yup,
right below it. I put my stop.
yup, 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 yup. It's a solid stop now.
And then if
Cause
ES when ES takes these equal lows, I'm just closing automatic.
what the equal highs? Nah, hold it through, bruh.
Okay, fuck
Hold
it.
it through, bro. Payout or $100. There's no
Now I
risk.
ain't gonna lie, my payout's at 293, so it's not even at TP.
Okay, yeah, bro. Just either your full TP that you're looking for or your $100 stop, bro. You don't lose. You don't lose. You don't lose. Let it play. Let it play. Trust your process. You already did the work. Trust it through. See if it follows through. It looks good. Again, there's nothing telling you it can't keep going higher right now. Absolutely nothing. Why I'm coming lower though. Let's go. That'd be so fire if you print on the long, I print on the sell. Sheesh. That'd be tough.
Like a tough ass hooper.
All right, YM's looking good, man.
So if you were, so you see that 3 minute order block in the creation right now on YM. If you were
3 minute
gonna
on
end
YM.
on YM, short,
Not bad. It's just
not
you
bad.
have this swing low. I obviously think Tuesday low is a better target. It's just with the market today, let's say we do take swing low, eventually, although they're inverse now, eventually they're all going to click
Mm.
together. It always happens. Whether it's later in the day, at the end of the day, they always end up clicking because they're the same assets. They all move together. They disconnect sometimes, but after a couple hours, they come in line. So there's a couple levels that I just don't know what's gonna happen. It could take this and then boom, alignment starts. YM comes back to the highs, and then this just rallies the rest of the day. And any sell you take at this level is just gonna probably not be there.
Mhm.
But it could also be vice versa. YM continues lower. ES and NQ take their liquidity that we already took right now. Flip, they get in line, and then we actually do the move lower, and then you're good. But it's like one of those where you're inside of two conflicting ideas. So
Yeah.
anything lower is like, especially on a 3 minute, like I would see if maybe the 5 minute gets made, yeah, but you're just so close to that swing low that anything can reverse off of that.
Gotcha.
I would stay patient, bro. I wouldn't
Nah,
really,
I got you. I got you.
yeah,
And even it didn't even give the order block too. So
yeah. I would just stay patient. I would honestly, if you haven't taken a trade yet and you're not in this long, you didn't take that sell, or again you took that little break even off that open, might be you might be done for the day, brother. Like,
man, I'm in a 300 loss right now. So I was trying to get my money back, but
no, remember, that's not how you're supposed to be thinking. As soon as you think like that, you're not thinking about the process no more. You think about the money. Can't be thinking like that. That's the
facts, facts.
you gotta cut that out of your mind immediately. Losses happen, and it is what it is, part of trading. But as soon as you
I
start
got
thinking
boys.
about,
I'm sorry.
you good, bro. You good. You good. As soon as you start thinking about the money and recuperating, you automatically failed because you're no longer thinking about the process, and that's where you go wrong.
Yeah.
Come
I'm about
on,
to,
Zoe.
I'm approaching
Nah,
TP,
delete
fam.
that shit right now. Delete that shit right now, bruh. No
You right?
screenshot Kurtz.
The Diddy
No
flip. The Diddy
screenshot
flip.
Kurtz. Delete that shit right the fuck now, twin. Let's go.
Bruh, I'm coming into
I think ES finally sweeps it.
as of right now I have payout, but I'm gonna just hold for discipline.
Hell yeah. If we get a new order block, you could trail it, but we don't have a new order block yet.
I'm
But
close to TP anyways.
nice. Yeah, I saw the little pick for a second. It was close. I think Josh said ES took it. Okay, so
Yeah.
let's see. This is make or break. I mean, for my YM trade, because it's either we continue rallying, YM aligns, and we go higher, or maybe we get reversed. So what would actually be the worst scenario for me though is ESYM reverse from here, or ESNQ reverse from here, and then YM goes higher, and that's just unfortunate. Oh, Big Zo, Big Zora. Hey, Big Zora with the long also.
Yeah, but I
Paper
don't.
trade? Okay.
It's
Yeah, that's paper
edging
trade.
me, fam.
All good, all
It's
good, all good.
edging me. It's edging me.
Mm.
Hold on. It bro.
Hey, yo.
Oh,
You're good, you're good. Breathe. Look, look, look. Deep breath. It always works. Deep ass breath. Take a couple deep breaths. Let it go. Get the heart rate down.
On your
Watch it.
exhale, it'll push the price
Yep,
action
yep,
up. It'll
exactly.
push the price action up as you're exhaling.
Take a couple breaths. Let the heart rate slow down. Let the emotions slow down. Let it play. Let it play. This is just a 1 minute camp. Anything can happen. You have protection. Let it play. Mm-mm-mm. All right, equal high. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, YM. I got shit to do. Either get me where I'm going, or so, anything.
tell
NQ
y'all
order block shit. NQ makes an order
one
block
point.
here, Zo.
1 point. It edged 1 point. Hold on. Hold on.
Up, up, up. Nah, I
Let me
think
tell
you
you how
get it.
many more points I need. I need.
I think
I need 8 points.
what I would do, honestly, Zo. What I
Oh
would
no, I
do
already did it. I trolled right below that shit.
right here, this one, right?
Yup, I already did it. You
Good,
late.
good. But I was gonna say, take your TP out though. Don't
Oh,
take
and
it.
then just let it run. Say
Let
less.
it
You
trail.
just
Yeah,
snap.
yeah,
You just snap. You
yeah,
just
yeah,
snap. Cancel order. You just snap. Yup.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Let it run.
There
If
you
it goes
go.
higher, creates that order block. Keep running it. New order block.
Okay.
Keep
Yeah.
running it. Keep running it.
You,
If not,
uh-huh.
hopefully we
Yup.
get that order
I
block.
still
That'll be nice.
I still get the payout too if it is that stop loss.
Nice, nice. There you go. Nice.
Let me share my screen for the boys right
Yeah,
quick.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me watch that.
Entire screen.
Let's go, Zo. Yes, sir. Ski. Nice, man. Hell yeah.
Well, payout secure. So yay!
Let's go,
Woo!
bro. Good fucking shit, bro.
Yay!
Dub,
Congrats, congrats,
dub,
bro.
Yep,
dub.
yep.
Yes,
Good,
Good,
good.
good.
sir.
W, W, W.
Yeah, and then just let it play, and and then honestly, the obviously max TP on that trade, if you get like a beautiful trail and walk it up, Asia, and that's it. All right, YM kind of coming here. Um, might exit out of this position soon, just on a manual close on YM. Save myself a couple $100. We didn't get the displacement that I wanted, but we'll see. We'll watch it a little bit. Down like I'm basically break even on this position still.
Pop
Oh, there you go.
payout.
There you go, Zoe.
Woo! Yay! Nice.
Let's go, my G.
Congrats,
Uh,
Congrats, gangster. Hell yeah, bro. You worked for it. Good fucking shit. Good
Ah,
fucking. What firm?
damn.
What firm, Zoe?
Trader far.
Nice. They pay
And then
fast, bro. They pay fast.
for Apex, I could take a payout too, but I'm
You're gonna let it run? Nice.
yeah, just one more, like probably two more
No.
trades.
They stopped you out, bro. Here we go. We're about to moon.
Right? Literally
You're good.
swept
You're
it.
good. You're good, bro. You're good. You're good. You're good. You cashed it. It doesn't matter. You cashed it. Hell yeah, bro. It's sick, man. Mm-mm. What's up, Josh? You in anything? You looking at anything?
no, bro. I wanted the cells from the beginning of the day, but
Which cells? Can you show? Let me see.
no. I'm saying I wanted cells since the beginning, but I didn't take anything. Yeah,
Nah, it's fine, honestly.
I'm
Let's
just
see if I was
post.
able to position, and I'm glad I wasn't able to position a cell on anything. I would have got cooked on any cell I took. TBH, YM though, unless YM, take me home, man. Take me the fuck home, baby. All right, so
No.
like I said, ES sweeping these equal highs is key. Was key. I want to obviously see now us come lower from this, right? So come on, YM, take me home, man. Take me to the fucking promised land. It's 10:16. It's early, man. It's early. What's this 1 hour PO3 looking like? We're 10 a.m. open 10. Accumulate, accumulate. I don't like how we didn't create a clean wick, so the PO3 is kind of not the best. My bad. 1 minute looks nice on YM2 with that 1 minute order block. Just love some displacement lower. This guy Brian joins and leaves like 8 times.
Bro, we're fucking mooning. That's crazy. Ha! Yeah.
They had to take you out, my boy. They wanted it. They couldn't let you run it up,
You know
bro.
what's crazy? If it went to Asia, I probably would have took a payout on Apex too, cause I'm like $200 away from like the payout. Literally, that would have been like max triple
It's
payout.
on
I'm
its way.
good.
It's on
Oh,
its way.
good stuff, Zoe Poppy.
Oh, was that Zo Poppy too?
I think he was in some longs.
Hell
Yeah,
yeah.
I thought that same shit as well.
Hey,
Oh, two Zoes in the same trade. Fire.
two Zos.
Fire. That's
That's
why
the
it's mooning.
Two
Stars aligned.
Zos in a trade. Sheesh, about to be a dub. Hell yeah, bro. I'm glad y'all are able. I love how y'all are able to just say, man, fuck Midas. I'm gonna do this because I see it. I love that, bro. I love that. That just shows confidence, confidence in the model and follow through, bro. And I love that, bro. Couldn't be happier for sure.
Nigga got scared as fuck. Nigga took that shit out real quick. So that shit did one time.
Shit, y'all are funny, bro.
That's how it always is. You see like a little retrace, some chop, and you're like, fuck, dude, I'm cooked.
That was not
It's
that
never clean. It's never clean, bro.
that was nasty what they did though. A little sweep and then moon it.
Yeah. Right now it's clean. Right now it's clean though.
Dealing range high looking like on ES2. Looks like a clean move back up to that dealing range high.
Congrats though, y'all.
Nice
Let
little
that
sell
up, bro.
out.
Hey, all right, y'all boys, I'm going. I gotta go to work, y'all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Bro, safety.
Yes, sir, my G. Be safe. Be safe. Be safe. All right, I'm gonna move this stop honestly above this accumulation. At this point, it's probably risking like $50. Just
You know what's
I,
crazy, Midas?
what's up, brother?
I had told Josh, and I'm gonna be honest with the Discord chat. So I used to have two Traderfy accounts, but I think it was one day, last Friday, I believe.
Yep.
You took a trade and I missed it.
Yep.
A demon possessed me and was like, "You got
Yep. I know.
Listen, but I had the decency to full port just one of the 4 accounts. So I was like, I'm just full port this one account. Fuck it. If it loses, I'll just take a payout on the other.
Yo,
I'll just be honest with the chat. I had texted Josh about it.
so are you sure the building is not burning down, brother? That alarm's still going off.
No. They announced it. It's a fucking
So I did the same shit. Remember I told you?
yeah.
Yeah, niggas, man.
Oh, funny, bro.
Full ported my shit. Blew that shit.
Next time I'm sending you out to the principal's office, bro.
I had three funded now, one too.
It happens, bro. It happens.
It's part of the journey, man.
Zora and fucking Zoe are like the 2 full porters, bro. I almost joined the gang, bro, but then I lost too many accounts, so I had to chill.
It happens, bro. It happens. Hey,
Nah,
man.
but yeah, only risk if you're like winning and losing. So I full put it down one account, and I ain't gonna say I ain't care, but it's like
Not
I was
yet,
like
bro.
putting a risk on the table.
At the
Yeah,
end of the day, bro, it's
Go
your
big or
it could
go
have
wallet.
home.
worked.
At the
Yeah,
end
it
of the
could have
day, it's
worked.
your wallet, bro. It's your
Yeah.
thing, and that's what it is. It's a fucking what the fuck do they call that shit? A fucking character development, nigga.
Hmm.
Every account you lose
Yeah, that's a
helps you
fact.
to a payout, bro.
It's a canon
For
event.
some reason, these lessons stick fucking harder.
Yeah, bro. On God.
The
See, that's
canon
My
why.
next
event.
Bro,
my next
canon event. That's what I was. Yeah, there you go. That's
Literally.
what I was looking
my
for.
next
The
plan,
full
my
port.
I'm finna get the Apex Plus pack for 80 bucks.
Fire.
I'm gonna try to pass them and then yeah, activate it.
Nice, nice, nice.
Damn.
Only real full porters will either pass an eval or blow it all one
Oh
trip.
yeah. Oh no. Evals. The full like they saw it the last time I traded an eval on here. Nigga, I was full minis, bro. Like we passed it in
Bruh,
days. Like I'm not
oh
taking
Yeah.
my
on
god,
more than one day
CPI
on a fucking eval. Like y'all
the
gotta be
CPI
fucking.
method
Bro,
undefeated.
Oh no, it's patched. I haven't seen that bitch play in a minute.
That's how I got the 2 Apex I have right now.
Yeah, damn. I
But
think
the
I need
thing
to
Mm.
is, oh
upgrade
no,
that.
it is patch. It is patch. You just
It's
gotta pick
patched.
one side. You either
Yeah.
go
Oh, you
long or
can't do.
short.
Yeah. You can't do both
Yeah, you
sides,
can't do
huh?
the glitch no
Yeah.
more.
Dude, they haven't got a good one like that in a minute, bro. It's been like 5 months since a good one. Yo, hold up. YM? What's up? ES sweeps the high again. Come on, bro. Like, I got shit to do.
Yeah,
Hold on.
that would be nice if the longs play out and then YM gives you TP2 just
Yeah,
like
the inverse,
yeah.
bro. The inverse. And I was like, fuck. Zoe about to cook on this. I'm not gonna short against him. Fuck that. And that short again is just I'm not shorting at Q here. Like you got me fucked up. But YM showing relative weakness back down. So I was like, fuck, I'll take a stab. Ah, fuck. And I got so much shit to do today.
Just want to play some golf,
Ooh,
man.
thank you at Asia. Going to Asia. Damn, yeah, so they did you nasty there for no reason too.
Mhm.
They really didn't even have to sweep that low. Like that was just excessive.
Dick
That was
sucking.
just yeah, no, that was just a troll. Like they really didn't have to. Like most stops are gonna be in this range. Like they really didn't have to take that low, bro. That's just kind of foul.
What's the name? I'm on a Apex 25K, so I gotta get it to 1600
Yeah,
in profit. So one of my accounts is 1500 and the other one is
nice.
1462.
The hardest part is done. Buffer.
Yeah, no, but I'm saying if it didn't sweep me, I would have been able to take a payout on all 3 accounts.
I
That's
feel
so
you.
gay.
Nah, but it's straight. Let it. Like for Apex, my real. I mean, with the 25 accounts, with 25 accounts, probably the same. But my real goal on Apex is that really take a payout once you could take 1K off a buffer. So, like, obviously, Apex lets you encroach 500 on the buffer. So, 500 profit above the buffer. That's when I would look for a payout where you could take 1,000 out and then you encroach 500 on the buffer and you have most of the buffer built. And then you just rebuild the buffer, rebuild the payout, and then that's how you're able to cycle them. Um, you could take them earlier, but I would say always payout rule of thumb for Apex a grand. Grand is good.
That means you gotta have like what, 3,600?
Yeah, if you're on a 50K account, no, if you're on a 50K account,
All right, guys. Gonna call it here. If you guys were in the Discord, obviously you took those longs, you ate. Didn't really see much today.
On the 25.
As far as from a sell perspective, the longs were nice. It was definitely one of those days where both sides could play out, and I think that's kind of what's happening. That's why we have a disconnect where some people in the Discord are in the YM longs, I'm in the YM shorts, and some people are in the NQ longs.
I'm probably gonna
Double-sided day. You just want to make sure you have clean structure whenever you're entering a trade and you're able to understand why it's doing what it's doing. That's the most important part, not necessarily just the trade, just understanding what the market's telling you in real time, right? Because then you go based off that and you live to see another day. But as always, guys, appreciate all of you, love all of you, and if you want to get into trading, make a little extra cash, click the link in my bio. It shouldn't be expired. I've gotten messages about it being expired, but the Discord is full sweep. If you can't find it there, just follow me on Instagram, SPXJosh. You can DM me. I have the link in my bio as well if you don't want to DM me. And it's a free Discord to join. It's free to click that link at the end of the day. So it's up to you guys. You guys gotta want it bad enough, but you guys gotta want it bad enough, then I want it for you.
Oh, damn.
But nonetheless, I'll be on tomorrow. Appreciate all of you. Love you all.